Go, go, go. Get down, get down, get down. Friendly over there. Bring it up. Where you at?
Hey, do you remember where the respawn is?
Oh, you get one medic and then you're done.
And then you're done?
Alright, I don't have my bright one with me. Because I think he's laying down or something. So I can't see him. Is he?
Nice, nice.
Move up.
Door's closed.
I got far door.
Hey guys, you're about to come through that room.
Left side, the one on the bottom.
That's us. That's close enough.
Hit! Medic!
I haven't made that forward one out.
You what?
I haven't made that forward tracker. Got it covered.
This door is a piece of shit. Here, let me get back. He's like right on the corner there.
I need to reload.
Heads up, heads up.
It's a very angry safety kill.
You're not shooting anything.
That's the problem.
That's the problem.
Okay, give me a second, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Half second, Rick. Safety kill! Well, we'll poorly on that one. I had a bad angle.
All right.
Medic!
It's not firing.
I saw a BB hit you right there.
Okay.
I'm dead.
Japanese prison, bro. Japanese prison down there.
Japanese pillow. Japanese pillow. Japanese pillow.
Quick.
Japanese pillow.
I don't know about
I'm a cat. I'm stuck. Helps me. Helps me. I'm a cat. Oh my God, save me. Help me.
Hey, I got the corner. Get the guy.
I don't want to die. Oh my God. Help me.
Sorry.
What are you doing? Oh my
Sorry.
God. Oh my God, I don't want it. Oh, ow, I don't want it. I don't want it. What are you doing? Why are you putting a gun in my face? Oh my God, who are you people? What is this? Oh my God. Why are you... Help me! Help! I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it.
What's up, man?
No.
Hey. It's like, you.
In the gear?
Yeah. This is only like shooting 200.
No, that's fine. I didn't feel it.
I don't want it. No! No!
Oh, they win.
Time to get on your roof.
Game over!